Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the charts. Remember, this is just for fun. I'm not for your financial advisor. This is silver on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, I think we formed a bullish flag pattern. Just measured it. Let me see. So this is the pole of the flag, and I think we have just broken out of this bullish flag. What could be the price target? The price target could be almost exactly the same that I already shared with you, 24.4 ish level. So I'm still bullish on silver. As I shared with you yesterday, there will be pullbacks anytime, and it just happened. Now if we look at the daily chart on silver, so that's silver on the daily chart. When we look at this, yeah, yesterday we hit my target price, first target 24, exactly as predicted. Based on the structure, 24 was one of my targets, and I also closed my big long positions right there. And this is an area of resistance for me, and as you can see, we got rejected from this area all the way. We came all the way down here, and right now as we speak, we are attacking this area again. What can happen next? Based on this structure, this is an inverse head and shoulder structure. This is a bullish sign, and I think we are heading to the top of this area of resistance. My price target is actually 24.3, 24.4. I think these are valid price target, but my eventual price target for the short term is actually 24.7, 24.8. When we get there, we might be rejected and fall back all the way to the 50 EMA, even there, or we will see how far we will fall back. Let's look at the weekly chart and see if we can say anything about the weekly chart on silver. So that's the weekly chart, and as you can see, we broke out of this falling trend line. So now more and more people see silver as bullish. When we were under it, I already saw a bullish reversal pattern here, so I was predicting we are going to break out, and that's what we did. We broke out, and now silver is turning to be bullish. As you can see on the weekly chart, we got rejected. This blue line is actually the 20 EMA. We touched the 20 EMA and got rejected. So this is a resistance here, and also the 50 EMA on the weekly chart. This red line is right at the top of this level of resistance that I was speaking about, and it's also resistance, so we might be rejected there as well, around this area. Let me show you one more thing. If we zoom out, this is through the years. You can see silver through the years. This is not a cup and handle formation that we can see on the gold chart, but this could be a flag right here, could be a bullish flag. And I measured it. We measure it by, from the top to the bottom, and let's put the pole there, and it's at 38 point. So the target price is actually at 38.8. so I think we are on our way to 30. Once we pass 30, we will go to 35. 35 might be, as you can see here, might be a big level of resistance. We might be rejected there. We might fall back. We'll see how far. I will talk about that once we get there. But 38, 39 could be a valid price target based on this structure on the weekly or monthly chart. So that's silver. Let's look at gold. See what's happening here on the gold chart. So that's gold. that's called on the weekly chart or monthly chart. Here you can see this beautiful cup and handle formation that I talked about, and I predicted two target prices based on this pattern. There's a conservative one, and there's another one. I think both are valid price targets. So now let's zoom in. This is gold on the weekly chart. And well, we can see on the weekly that we are going up and up and up if you look at these weekly candles. But on the weekly we are still under this level of resistance that I shared with you. Right now we are attacking it again. Let's see if we can close the weekly candle above or in this level of resistance. On the weekly we can see that we need to break above this level of this falling trend line, and then after that even this falling trend line. So once we get above 1800, we can say we turn bullish, but then we need to get above 1840 to say and close it, close the weekly candle above that to say that gold has truly turned bullish. Right now, based on this weekly pattern, we cannot say anything else. At least I cannot say anything else. Okay, let's look at the daily candle or daily chart. On the daily chart you can still see this inverse head and shoulder formation. This is the trend line. We actually have fallen back down this trend line, but we came all the way back above the 20-day EMA, and this is the 50-day EMA. If 20-day EMA is under 50-day EMA, so even if there's bullish pressure in gold, anytime we can count on pullback. So we need more strength to break out. So let's see, here we go. Yeah, we are still attacking this level of resistance. We have fallen down below there, and we are attacking it. Let's see if we get above that and go above 50-day EMA. This inverse head and shoulder pattern might still be valid. My price target might still be valid. My price target is actually 18. I'm expecting gold to go to this level of resistance to 1832, and then first before that reach 1800, 1810, this area. The stop loss is under the, when we play this inverse head and shoulder pattern, we put the stop loss under the right shoulder, which means under 1750 or under 1745. So until we break down below that, then I think this pattern is valid. Okay, so that's much about the chart. See you next time.